So this is Diego checking the 4 register outlets on my house. I'll be starting off with this one in the kitchen. So it should be around 55 or 60 as you mentioned in the assignment. Should continue dropping slowly to finally reaches. This continues dropping. So it's not really dropping anymore, so I'd say it's around 57 and 57.5. That's on the kitchen. Now I'm gonna go to the one in the living room. You're not really able to see it on the camera that much, but right now it's at 58. I'm guessing it's gonna continue dropping. There you go. So this one's a lot lower than the one in the kitchen. Not by much, but I'm guessing it's gonna stay up. Okay, I guess it's gonna keep on going down. It should stay around there, 55 and 56. It's not really moving much anymore. Yeah, so this is for the living room. Now, go over to room on the right. I feel like this was gonna be a lot lower, maybe. So that's definitely the one that's reaching the least amount out of the 3 that I've tested so far. It's probably gonna drop down more than 55 actually, unless it stays there. Yeah, so it looks like this is gonna stay exactly at 55. If not, it's just gonna go a little lower. Yeah, that 0.1, but it's not really going down by much anymore. So I say it's around 54 and 55, somewhere in between. All right, and now let's head out to the room where I stay in. So over here on this one, so there's another room. The first two were in the kitchen and the living room. And I believe these are blowing lower than the ones in the living room and the kitchen. Not by much, but maybe by like 1 degree. Yeah, it's still going down. I believe this is where it's gonna stay. If not, it's just gonna drop to 55, but that seems about right. Like I said, the first two seemed a lot, not a lot, but 1 degree, about 1 degree higher than the ones in the rooms. But yeah, now it's rising, so it's pretty much, yeah, I just took it out for a little bit. I messed it up, but yep, that's it. Thank you.